Try this question. Try this question. Take 10-second time and try this question. We'll do it 10-second time. Try this question. Try this question. Any answer? Getting any idea how to solve it? See, it is given that, see here, it is given that L is given, inductor value is given, and I is given. Okay, then at what time, then the time at which EMF becomes 0. To find the value of EMF, we know that E is equal to N d phi by dt, and also we can say that it is L di by dt. Both formula we have studied. Okay, we can write like this. L, what is L? It is 2 millivolt. We can write like this, T 2 millihenry. Okay, L, yes. Okay. Let me explain. If you got your answer, then good. L into differentiate this one, and you know to differentiate this one. It is just a differentiation question. You know it is U and it is V, and you know UV differentiation what it is? It is 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 into, see here, constant, first one constant, and differentiate the other one. Okay, plus second one constant and differentiate the first one. This is equal to 0. Now solve it. You will get how much? This and this e to the power minus 2 both come to 0 in the denominator. They will vanish. We will get how much? T into 2 minus T is equal to 0. That means T is equal to 2 seconds. Got it? Good. You got it.